Cover coughs and sneezes. If you are wearing a mask, if you cough and sneeze into your mask, change your mask as soon as possible and wash your hands. If you are not wearing a mask, always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Alternatively, use the inside of your elbow and do not spit. Discard the used tissue into the trash. Immediately wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, clean your hands with sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. Remember to be safe. Alcohol is flammable. If not for you, do it for everyone else around you. Stay safe and do the responsible thing to curb the spread of COVID-19. This message is compiled with data gathered from the CDC and produced by Albin of GetAlbin.com.